Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You wanna say something?
Hello faves, I'm going to my school, Papa, and Auntie Jen.
Right.
And you all my cars in my bag.
Right, you put all your cars in your bag that you're gonna play with at Auntie Jen home.
Yes. Just one car, two car, three car. This number is number 4. Oh no, this is wet. It's wet in the water.
No, it's not wet, it's just shiny.
What?
It's not wet, it's just shiny, see?
Shiny.
Yeah.
Shiny.
Hi faves, you guys. We're all dressed and heading out. Tyler is going to spend the rest of the day with Jen while I head to work. But Jen is at an appointment.
Papa.
So I might reach before she finishes her appointment. No, you're not going to school, you're going to Auntie Jen. So I might reach her before she finishes her appointment. So I may have to leave Tyler at Babe's office and then Jen go pick up Tyler from Babe's office because her appointment is close to Babe's office. But if that's the case, then it still would be okay. So we're actually going to head out in about 10 minutes to catch the bus. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys make today productive, make it blessed, make it awesome, make it wonderful, and all the Anyway, you guys, I was talking to you guys and my battery died. So I was saying to you guys that make sure you guys just have a good day and make it productive and make it a good one. Regardless of whatever your circumstances is or whatever it is that you're going through today. Just find... Stop the shouting.
Another car.
Yes, go and play. Whatever it is that you're going through, there must be somebody going through something. Just find a way of shake off the energy and make it good. Just make your day awesome, even if it's just for a little moment, just to make you feel better. Love you guys, and I am heading out to catch the bus right now. So have a good day, make today a good one, and I'll catch you guys on my way.
My fire trucks.
Okay, you have 2 fire trucks.
Yes.
Cool. You ready to go see Auntie Jen?
Yes.
You're gonna be a good boy?
Work.
Are you gonna be a good boy?
Yes.
Yes?
Work.
Alright, be a good boy for mama, okay?
Work.
Okay?
Okay. Work.
What is it?
It's an accident.
Is an accident happen?
Yes.
He's so silly. So you need a tow truck?
Yeah.
Okay, go look for it. He's so funny, y'all. Tell her who is that across. Yes! Yes! Oh my God, girl. Come on. You see him ever pin run out in our road? Sure.
Green truck?
Yeah.
Garbage. But yeah, it is green.
When he's with Jen, he doesn't remember he have parents.
Yeah, he does.
It's an ice cream.
He doesn't even care for me anymore.
It's an
Tyler.
ice cream van.
Hello, Mama is here. Hi.
Yeah.
You said bye.
Later for you, bye.
Oh, a kiwi. Oh yes, you like kiwi.
You guys, so much has happened since you saw the last clip. I went to work. I left Tyler with Jen, and Tyler and Jen went to the park, and they're all over town just being Jen and Tyler and carried on. She's been sending me pictures non-stop, I finished earlier than expected today. So I'm at the bus stop waiting for the bus because they're not home as yet. They're on their way. Even though I told Babe that I wasn't gonna wait on him, but I think he know that I'm lying, because I never go home leave them when I'm on my way before them or just before them. So I'm at the bus stop waiting to see them. Tyler doesn't know that I'm here, and of course you guys know that I love surprising Tyler, so today is no different. The boys are here. Hello. You went to see Auntie Jen? Yeah? See the fence there? Where did you go? You went to see who you went to see? Auntie Jen? You didn't know Mama was waiting on you? I think Papa knew Mama was waiting. You know I'm not gonna go home leave you. You know I'm not gonna leave you. Alright, let's go home. Ready to go home? Alright, let's go. A little mini. Boys are eating. Look, the potato is almost in your eye. Blow on it?
Look, yes, you did.
What you have to tell the kids? Tell them I'm taking a bath. And what you gonna do after bath? What you gonna do after bath? Tell them I'm going to bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tell them bye-bye. Tell kids bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera.
My Auntie Jen.
You gonna go Auntie Jen tomorrow?
Yes.
Say night-night, babes.
Purple rectangle.
Very good. What is this?
Brown triangle.
Very good. What is this?
Red circle.
Very good. What is this?
Red triangle.
Very good. What is this?
Black rectangle.
Very good.
No, oval.
Very good.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Un carré orange.
Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Un rose carré.
Oui, bravo.
Maman,
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
un rose rectangle.
Un rectangle.
Un rose rectangle.
Bravo. Et ça c'est quoi?
Marron.
Oui.
Marron.
Losange.
Marron. Losange.
Bravo. Et ça c'est quoi?
Orange. Losange.
Bravo.
Tell Papa bye. You're going in Papa's suitcase?
Bisous à papa. Allez, bisous à papa. À vendredi, d'accord? Deux gros dodos. Et après tu vois papa. Deux gros dodos.
Papa, you hear that? What did Tyler say?
Dominique Papa Joy.
So many Paw Patrols. Tell Papa bring back Paw Patrol for you. Tell Papa bring back Paw Patrol for me. You're sure you have credit card, you have toothpaste, toothbrush, outfit, underwear, chargers. Yes, Papa will bring back Paw Patrol for you or something else, even if it's Sweetie. Go give Papa big hugs. Run. Aww. Yeah, bye-bye, Papa. Say I love you, Papa.
Mini Paw Patrol. Sweetie.
Yeah, Papa, see you later.
Gotta go to Paris, gotta rush, so don't have much time.
This elevator don't move. You took the elevator?
Well, don't waste time, walk. Love you too. And just like that, you guys, babe is off to Paris, leaving Thailand for a few days. So we are going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry there won't be no expressions today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, well, which will be Monday. Say bye, fam.
Bye,
See you guys on Monday.
See you guys on Monday.